Hey everybody, welcome back to Big Ol' Bill's Barbecue. Today, we're making smash burgers. We'll see you there.
All right, let's get some ground beef into our bowl. We're gonna use some of our Sasquatch SPG rub, homemade rub here. We're gonna just put a nice amount in there. Then we're gonna add in some wash your sister sauce, you know, that Worcestershire sauce. Okay, we're gonna put in about 10 dashes. And we're gonna mix it on up until it's all nice and mixed in there. We're ready to make those burger balls. All right, so now that we have our ground beef all mixed up, we're gonna take a nice handful of ground beef. We're gonna make it into about a 2-inch ball with a 2-inch diameter, okay? You wanna make it nice and round, compact, so that way it doesn't fall apart on you. Squish in your hands back and forth. It should look just like this, nice and pretty like. Okay, you're gonna make enough so that way you use up all of your ground beef. Next up, we're gonna be off to the griddle. Let's go. Once you got that griddle smoking hot, you're gonna put your ground beef balls onto your griddle. You're gonna take your shaved onions and put them on top. Okay, you want just enough, not too many. So that way when you smash those burgers down, they get pressed right into the burger, make it real delicious. So as you can see, we left a few without onions for our friends who don't like onions on their burgers. We're gonna take our press and just firmly press down on these burgers so that way they get real nice and smashed down into the griddle. Onions are smushed right into those burgers so that way when we flip them, they get nice and caramelized and all that flavor goes right back into the burger. Okay, you're gonna go along and smash down each and every one of yours so they get that nice smashed burger look. All right, once you get that nice browned juices coming off the bottom of that burger, you can go ahead and flip and let those onions caramelize on the bottom side. While I was doing this in the kitchen, I had some garlic bulbs in the oven sitting with some oil on top at 400 degrees. I'm pretty sure they're just about done. Yep, look at that. Perfectly cooked, nice and roasted. Let's squish it out of that ball. Man, does that ever look good. I wish you guys could smell it. It smells fantastic. We're gonna go ahead and put that roasted garlic onto the bun of our burger, add a little bit more depth to it. Put as much or as little as you want. There's no holding back when it comes to that roasted garlic. There you have it, folks. You can add whatever kind of fixings you want to your burger. Just like that, you've made a perfect smash burger.
Look at that smash burger. That's how you do it. All right, so make sure you go like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell icon so you can stay up to date with what we do here. We'll see you next week.